XA guys, welcome back to the channel. As you saw, beautiful Golf MK2 2020. The reason we call it 2020, well, the reason I call it 2020 is because it's a Golf 2 with the 2 liter. Sorry, Golf 2 with the 2 liter engine, 2020 guys. But guys, just appreciate this car. Check out the video, please. Please like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Yeah, I don't usually say that often, but yeah, subscribing is totally free. And yeah, enjoy the video. And also shout out to the owner. Thank you very much for allowing me. Yeah, because he actually gave me like time. Like he had things to do and he gave me time to quickly do the entire walk around. Because as I've mentioned, it's a workplace, so time is kind of limited. So yeah, thank you to the owner. So guys, here you have it for today's car. Here you have it, guys. It's a Golf MK2 2020 16 valve Dogotela 16 valve. This car is very beautiful. As you can see, it's not standard, but let me start off the engine bay and then we can get more into detail of the other things. So 2020 Golf, well, that's what they call it. 2020 or we 2020, yeah guys. Golf 2. So let me show you guys what we're working with. Yeah, working with one hand. 16 valve ABF, 16 valve ABF, light, deepest VW engine, the ABF. Well, also updated too, not gonna lie. That's how the car looks. The car's bagged. I'll show you that in a few seconds. With the Jeep rims, custom Jeep rims. Let me show you that. Let me show you it out. Malum, let's go balance for the food. We shoot the air out. I want it out. So as I was saying, guys, the car's back. You can hear the compressors, the bags. Let me show you. So as you can see, guys, this thing is setting. Slam, bravo, slam. Slam, thank you, malume. As you guys can see, this thing is low. But guys, bags is a necessity. Where I want to be. As you guys can see, this thing is sitting. Yeah. Guys, this is tempting, guys. I might go bags too. Check there. Also the sound setup. I want to get into that, but I'm running out of time. So I just wanted to show you guys a walk around of the car. Guys. 2020, guys. MK2. MK2. Thank you very much for allowing me. Ne? Away. 2020.